Hi students, so ngasidi akwai chapter 4 ko types of chemical reactions hi yengsi. Types of chemical reactions hi akoina chemical reaction ama se kamaina thoi haiba matamda akoigi okay sigi chemical reaction se laktangai matamda akoina kari kari matter amada natragana substance amada kari kari change lege haibado akoi amtang parga yengminasi ko. Say we have learned about the physical and the chemical change change which occur in physical properties such as state of matter, shape, size, color, texture, electrical, magnetic condition, etc. without without bringing any change in the composition are called physical change. Akoina matter ama natragana substance ama ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯇꯝꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯏ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯠꯅ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯦꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯁꯣꯂꯤꯠ ꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯠ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ then shape change tꯧꯕ size change tꯧꯕ color texture electrical and magnetical condition ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ change ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ composition ꯗꯨ waterꯁꯦ H2O ꯅꯤ so ice ꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ H2O ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ liquid form ꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ H2O ꯅꯤ then ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ gas form ꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ H2O ꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ now ꯃꯥꯒꯤ composition change ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ H2O ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯑ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯇ ꯆꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ change in the composition ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ so evaporation of water ꯁꯤꯗ melting of ice dissolving sugar in the water breaking of wood into a small pieces magnetization of iron glowing of electric bulb are example of the physical change ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ there are also many changes which result in the formation of new substance whose composition and properties are entirely different from those of the original substance ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ changes ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ A ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ so ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ B ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯁꯕꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ so ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯕꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ whose composition and the properties to are entirely different from those of the original substance ꯍꯥꯟꯅ A ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ substance ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ B ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ properties and the composition ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ entirely different ꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ example ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯟꯗ burning of paper producing ash ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ producing ash ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯄꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯩ ꯆꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟ ꯗꯥꯏꯑꯣꯛꯁꯥꯏड ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯚꯦꯄꯔ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ then burning of candle wax fuel like kerosene oil petrol ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯩ ꯆꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯕꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏ then rusting of the iron rod ꯌꯣꯠ ꯀꯣꯂꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯕꯗꯀꯣ nail ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ producing rusting hydrated iron oxide ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ soaring of milk formation of curd ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝ ꯑꯐꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ composition ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯥ change ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯤ cooking of food ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ digestion of food in our body ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ body ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ food digestion ꯇꯧꯕ then taking of antacid when one gets stomach burn and pain ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯈꯥꯎ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯆꯈꯥꯎ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯦꯛꯂꯛꯄ acidity ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯈꯥꯎ ꯇꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ anti acid means ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯁꯤड ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯍꯟꯊꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯕꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯇꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯥꯁꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯥꯁꯤꯠꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯤड ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯑꯦ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ Now, in all these changes, the original substance lost their nature and identity and form new substance. ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ originally ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ substance ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ properties ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ identityꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ change ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. For example, when the paper is burned ꯀꯣ, the products such as the ash, carbon dioxide, water vapor etc. are entirely different from the paper. Ngasai paper ꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ compound ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯦ, carbon dioxide ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ, water vapor, ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ compound ꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ entirely different ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ. Rust is different substance from the iron ko. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ iron ꯑꯅ Fe ꯈꯛꯇ pure form ꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ rusting ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ferric oxide formation ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ, iron oxide ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ. iron with oxygen ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ compound ꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ rust ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ is a different compound ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ different substance ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯗꯒꯤ iron ꯗꯒꯤꯀꯣ. So these are the example of the chemical change. ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ their identity and properties of the compound to entirely different ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ chemical change ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ, whenever a such chemical change occurs ꯀꯣ, we say that chemical reaction has taken. ꯅꯪ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ chemical change ꯇꯣ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ A ꯗꯒꯤ B ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ identity and composition ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ change ꯇꯧꯔꯕ. So that is the chemical change. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ chemical change ꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ chemical reaction ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ, or chemical reaction ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ. Now, in other words, a chemical change takes place as a result of a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction thokpagini sini chemical change tawrisi ko. In a chemical reaction, the substance originally present and taking part in the reaction are called reactants. Habadi kaino ha matamda se akoina A habase ngasai B habaduda change tawre ko. So A ga B ga se magi identity and kari kara du loina change tawre. So A se kai kauke ha matamda akoina reactants haira khangnei, aduga B sibuna kari kauge ha matamda products haira khangnei ko. And makhada kumthara kanda akoina kadaraba the new substance form are called products kawe habsini ko. Ano inau nau na akoina sida form to sibuna akoi B sibuna akoi products haira khangnei habane. Yengsi akoina depending upon the nature of the reaction and the chemical change taking place, we can classify chemical reactions into various type. Akoi kedroba chemical reactions into akoi various type ta akoi classify tawba yai ko. Okay, types of chemical reaction do akoi kari kari no habdong tang yengsi ko. We have learned in class 9 that in a chemical reaction, atoms can neither be created nor destroyed as given by the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass na kari hairong ge hai matamda atoms ama haibase ke daraba akoina sembasu yade, neither be created sembasu yade nor destroyed thugaibasu yade ko akoina atoms ama haibase according to the law of conservation of mass ki matungina. So during a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those another element. Amad element amadagi amada change tawde habani ko. Okay, during chemical reaction da. So nor do not atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Amadagi mangkraga amada pangthok thokpa nateba. We have also learned in the previous chapter that the atoms in a molecules are held by force of attraction called bonds. Haibdi kaino ha matamda akoina mamanga tamgre ko previous chapter da molecules amase for example hydrogen molecules hai matamda sigi molecule se karina sagalake hai matamda akoi hydrogen atoms anina sagale ko, H hydrogen atoms anina sagale ba. So sigi molecule se form torokpa matamda kaidoroke ha matamda leiriba atoms anisibu bind tauba force amatang leiri ko. That force tubo akoina kai haira khangnage ha matamda bond hairaga chemical bond haira khangnai, means hydrogen atom ga ani bind tawriba sisibo akoina kai haira khangnage ha matamda bonds haira khangnai ko. So yengse khoi in a chemical reaction the bonds present in the reactants are broken and new bonds are formed to produce new substance or product. ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯦꯒ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯁꯣ if the A react with the B ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ C ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ so this is the new product ꯀꯣ or interaction between the the type of force ꯇꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯅꯗꯣꯏꯕ bonds ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯅꯤ so ꯁꯤꯒꯤ A ꯒꯤ bondꯁꯦ break ꯇꯧꯔꯦ B ꯒꯤ bondꯁꯦ break ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ another new bond ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯒꯤ bond new ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ chemical reaction ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯪꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ that is there takes place ko rearrange or regroupings of the atoms in a various way to give a product habidi kai no matamda a ga b ga moi gi bond ahanba bond sing reactant gi bond sing break tawre aduga inau no se it may be ab haisu yai ko it ab haiba compound aduna interaction between b du kai tharaga rearrange tawbani haisu yai or regrouping tawbani ngasai a group B group ana leirambadu huji kedaraba A B group ana semak taragadi that is rearrange tawbani haina lawse yai for example oina koi kedaraba hydrogen molecules ko plus oxygen molecules they react to form kana water so this is the akoi rearrange ne haisu yai hydrogen pulaga leiramba oxygen pulaga leirambadu huji kedore akoi hydrogen oxygen ani se punsanareba this is the rearrangement of the hydrogen and oxygen molecules in marakta ko this we call it chemical reaction ni na kawi habane makha chatharakpo ina khoi ngasagi types of the chemical reaction du da khoi hojik magi type sing du mathangi next session da yengsi kho khoi combination reaction decomposition reaction gaina akhoi type makhan ma'am laigre ko adu sing du